चलिए गाइस, आज जावास्क्रिप्ट अरेज के बारे में देखेंगे। अरेज क्या होता है? अरेज, व्हाट इज अरेज? व्हाट इज अरे? अरे मीन्स it is it is used to store multiple to store multiple values in a single variable. Example, variable a. This is an array, and now we can store multiple values. Example, hi. This is a string base, so we need to mention string and another value. This is also string. How are you, comma, this is also string. Today. This is what we call an array. The unique homogeneous elements we can store homogeneous elements or homogeneous values, not multiple. If we are storing string, means string value only we can store. If we are storing integer, example, I will show you another example here. Variable y is an array. Type 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this we need to store. Now we will check in practically. I am opening NetBeans IDE. Here one project I have created, carousel. Okay, in this web pages are there in the NetBeans IDE. In my project I'm going to create one more new JSP file, JSP. Okay, or HTML also you can consider. First I will do in JSP. JSArray. Example. Now finish. Yes, title I will change it. Java script array. This is first example. Now in the body tag, this is a body tag, so here we need to type script. Now I will take one variable array name So I am going to store these string type value. So these three values I will store. Hi, how are you today? This is a variable. Now I will call this variable name so that these values are stored under this array, this variable name. Otherwise I will remove stored values. This is a variable. Now I will call these values so that we need document dot write function. In this I will call this one. Now just run it and check it on the server browser. What happened? I will run one more time. Now here type we need to mention text text.jsp file javascript. Now I will run this one again. Okay, the value is printed here. Hi, comma, how are you, comma, today.